Yes, that's right. You saw that right. 399 interest rate on this particular house. You want to stick around to find out how we can get you into a 399 rate for this house here in the community of Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here. We are local realtors here in the North Dallas area. So if you want more information or want to reach out to us and have questions about this particular house that we are going to show you today, you can text us, you can call us, the information will be up here. Guys, before we continue, would you do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell as well. We do videos just like this. We do market updates and just keep you up to date on what the market is doing here in the North Dallas area.
Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're walking a very popular floor plan here in Sandbrock Ranch. It's a Highland home called the Panamera.
Right.
This gorgeous floor plan has been super popular because of the staircase. So it's got just a super luxurious, over the top curved staircase that really speaks out to buyers, and it gives this home such a luxurious feeling. High-end finishes. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with a media room upstairs and a private study downstairs.
And a game room.
And a game room.
Upstairs.
So this is a gorgeous floor plan. It is available now. This particular one, as you can see right behind us, actually has a green belt view, which, you know, that is always nice to have. It's a premium lot. Yeah. So you definitely want to check it out.
Yes, and don't forget about those sliding doors, that it's a huge upgrade. A lot of people want to put those into when they're building a house. So those are very popular.
Yes.
I mentioned 399 interest rate at the beginning. Yes, call us to find out how we are able to do that for you. Now, this house is listed currently at $575. They just did a price drop on this because I do remember seeing it for like around $600. So $575. So if you are looking into your budget, hey, give us a call so we can get dialed in straight into what your numbers would look like on a house like this. Payment, your monthly payment with interest rate, with property taxes, and all that included. That way you can have an idea of, okay, that 399 interest rate, guys, it's a huge deal because right now rates are at about 7, maybe high 6s if you have great credit score. But we're looking at about a 7 interest rate if you go with you know, somewhere else. But right now we can get you into a 399 rate. Yeah,
and don't let the price scare you either. I know $575 sounds high, but when you have an interest rate of a 3.99, you're actually going to have a much lower monthly mortgage than if you were to get into, say, a house that's $450 at a 7 interest rate.
Right.
So keep that in mind. Don't let the price scare you. Call us because there's additional incentives that only we can give you as our customers and clients. So make sure don't go straight to the builder. Give us a call.
Yeah. All right, guys, there you have it. Hey, we are standing right in front of that famous spiral staircase. Okay, so let us know what you thought of it. Is it a big deal for you or not? Maybe you don't like it. Let us know in a comment. We would love to hear from you. If you want more information about this particular house, call us. Our information will be up here. Let's connect so we can get you connected to one of the lenders so we can go over those numbers with you.
Yes, and don't forget, if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, that subscribe button. It does help our channel grow.
Yeah.
And if you want to go above and beyond, go ahead and drop a comment below. It really does help with the algorithms. Again, tell us what you loved most about this house. Would this staircase sell you or not? This is a gorgeous house and it's right under 2,900 square feet. Don't forget it's available right now. So once this one is gone, they don't have another one on inventory. If you build from the ground up, it is definitely going to be more expensive than $575. So don't miss out.
Yeah. Obviously, if you haven't seen the news about the new tariffs going up here, and we are in April already of 2025, new construction will be affected by those new tariffs. Lumber, for example, will go up in price. Well, this house, it's already built, it's done, it's ready to go, it's moving ready. So you won't have to worry about those price increases because of the new tariffs. All right, guys, we really appreciate you guys staying to the end of the video, and we will see you next time.